On number 6, we're taking 25 and raising it to the 3 over 2 power. And there's really two different ways to write it. You can take the square root, and I'll put the 2 there, but it's implied if you don't write it. So the square root of 25 cubed, or you can write it as the square root of 25 cubed. So your denominator is your index of your root, and your numerator becomes the power. Now, if you do it the first way, because it has all numbers, we need to simplify it. So if you do it the first way, you're taking the square root of 25 first, which is 5, and then you cube it, and 5 cubed is 125. The other way, you're actually cubing it first, so let me get my calculator. 25 raised to the 3 is 15,625. And then you take the square root of 15,625, and you also get 125. So I usually like to do it the first way so that I don't have to deal with these big numbers. But technically, either way is okay.